Super Security 101. How to use the features in the NVMS7000 app for your Platinum DVR. Using these features on a cell phone. I'm using a Android phone, so I'll go ahead and connect to my local IP since I'm on my Wi-Fi at the business. And on the bottom you'll see a menu down here, and you can slide to the right or left. The first icon to the left here is a camera button. This will take a snapshot picture of whatever was going on in this first box right here, because I have it selected. And these pictures will be stored on the device itself inside the application, not in your gallery. So to get back to this picture and see it, you'll click the little menu here. You'll go to Pictures and Video, and you'll tap it right there, and now it shows the picture that I just took. If you want to look at it, you just click it, and there's your picture. If you don't want to keep it, you can delete it, hit confirm. Now it's gone. Now we'll go back. Let's see, hit the back button. It'll bring you back to a live view. The camera here, if you choose this first camera and you click this little camera down here, it will begin recording this footage that's on this camera, and it'll record it on your phone and store it on your phone inside the app in Pictures and Video. So we recorded a little section there of video. We'll stop it. We'll go to the Pictures and Video, and there is your video. If you want to watch it, just tap on it, hit play, and there's the footage that I just recorded. If you want to delete it, we can delete it. Wait till it finishes, click that trash can, hit confirm, and now it's gone. Go back to live view, double tap to go back to the quad view. This next symbol here, if you tap it, this will bring up your PTZ function. If you have a camera that moves around like a PTZ would, this is where you'll be allowed to move it around. You can tap on the screen, slide the screen to the right, slide the screen to the left, and it will move the camera around respectively. These are all your different functions for calling up a preset. If you have any presets set on your PTZ, that's where you'll call it up. The next icon will be your iris. The next icon will be your focus. The next icon will be your zoom. And the next icon will start the camera spinning around in a circle as a view mode that will just constantly have the camera panning left and right all the way around in 360 degrees. Let's close that one. The next button is the one where you switch your clear and balanced and fluid modes on each channel, each camera. Let's close that. The next button will turn off your cameras. So now you're not seeing anything. If you hit play again, it'll bring your live view back up. Let's slide over. Here you have your audio. If you want to listen to audio on a certain channel, if you have microphones hooked up, you'll be able to listen to the audio. If you have a speaker hooked up, you can speak through here, through your phone, and it will send sound through a speaker, so you could talk to someone wherever the camera is located if you wanted to speak to them, and you'd also be able to hear them as well. So it allows for two-way voice. And the next one is your alarm inputs. If you have any alarm inputs programmed by your installer, this is where you would activate them. I'm not going to go into that one. The next one is your zoom function. Click here. This is your zoom function. This will allow you to zoom in to a certain area of the screen. And you can do this by just touching the screen, zooming in, and you can move it around to any area of the screen, and it's zoomed in to a certain point. I think that's about as far as it will zoom in. If you want to zoom back out, close your fingers, and then you'll be back to normal view. Tap the icon to go back to your local view. And that's it.